We'll guide you through how to remove and get rid of the little circle on an iPhone screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So you can go and see here, I've got this circle and I don't want it on my phone screen anymore. I find it just gets in the way and I don't find it useful. It can go and do different things as well when you go and have it. In this case, when I go and tap on it, it goes and opens up a menu. But I know for different people, it can go and do different things. But regardless, we're going to go and remove it. Make sure this is full video so you're going to know everything you need to do. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and find the settings app on your iPhone. So this should just be on the first page here, as you can see. Go and open it up. Now we're in settings. What you want to do is you want to go and start scrolling down and you want to go and find the option for accessibility. So you didn't know this is a feature to go and make your iPhone easier to go and access. So if you can go and fully use your iPhone as normal, you probably won't need it, even though it still can be useful for other features. So let's come into accessibility. Then in here, what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and come into this section, physical and motor. And in here, you then want to go and find the option for touch. Then at the top, you're going to go and see the option for assisted touch. It says it allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. So you want to come into here like so. If you want to keep it but change the actions, you can come into custom actions and see the different things you can do with it here. But if you just want to go and remove it, then what you need to do is go and switch off assistive touch. And as you can see, it's now been removed. Of course, turn it back on, you can switch that back on.